learning about the numbers second part. Numbers second part. In the first part we have seen odd number, even number and the numbers. Definition of the number. We understood what is number, what is odd number and what is even number. Today we will learn about the integers, natural number, whole number, and we will learn about the factors and product. Okay. Now, what is integer? Someone asks you what is integers. Okay. Set of whole numbers together with the negative natural number. Set of whole numbers together with the natural number, negative natural number is called as integers. What it is called as integers. Okay. Smallest integer. What is the smallest integer? Does not exist. What is the largest integer? Does not exist. Okay. No. Symbol of integer. It may be Z or I. Capital Z or capital I. Remember, some of them they will say that Z integer denotes with Z, and some of them they will say that integers will denote with I. But it will denote with Z or it may be I, but it should be capital. These are the examples: -2, 5, 6, 0, so many numbers. No? Okay. These are the examples of the integers. That means integers may be negative, positive with the 0. Okay. Now, natural numbers. Number which are used for, number which are used while counting. The number which are used while counting. Say 1 you will count, 3 you will count, 0 you will not count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. These numbers are used for counting numbers. Okay. Now, 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7 are the examples of the natural number. Symbol for natural number is capital N. Symbol for natural number is capital N. Least integer in the set of natural number is 1. That means the smallest number in the set of natural number is 1. And the greatest number does not exist. Greatest number does not exist. Now, next, whole number. If you put 0 in the counting number, then it will become whole number. What it will be? Whole number. 0 with the counting numbers. 0 with the counting numbers. And it denotes with W. It denotes with W. And least integer is 0. Smallest number in the set of whole number is 0. And greatest integer does not exist. Which one is the greatest? We don't know. It does not exist. Now we will see this by an example. Okay. If you want to take the definitions, take it. After that we will see with the example problems. Okay. Now, I think everyone knows number line. What is number line? Line. What is line? A straight path which is endless from both the directions. Which is endless, which is not getting end from both the directions is called as line. And what is number line? The number which has taken on the line is called as number line. The number which is taken on the line is called as number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. Okay? Because this arrow represents that it is going endless. Okay? Here, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, so on. Here also, this arrow represents that it is getting endless. Okay? There is no end for this one and this one. See, if you find these numbers, if you go in this direction, I think everyone knows what is ascending order and descending order. What is ascending order? Small number to big number. Ascending order. Small to big. Descending order. Big to small. Big number to small number. Now see, if you go in this direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Is it going small to big or big to small? Small to big. It is ascending order. Small to big. If you go in this direction, descending order. That is big number to small number. Big number to small number. Now, if you see all these numbers, these numbers are negative and the positive. These numbers are negative and the positive with zero. Negative number, positive number with zero. Then it is called as Z or I. What is Z or I? Integers. What is integers? Okay. Now, if you make the portion for this one, what it is? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. What it is? Whole number. W. Okay. Now, after that, if you go for this one, which number? Natural number. This n. Natural number, that is n. Understood everyone? Smallest integer, don't know. Largest integer, don't know. Okay. Now, remember one thing. All natural numbers can be whole numbers. Okay, all natural numbers can become whole numbers, but all whole numbers cannot become natural numbers. All whole number cannot become natural number. All natural and whole numbers can become integers, but all integers cannot become natural and whole numbers. What it is willing to say, what it is saying that all natural numbers can become whole number. All the natural numbers, all the natural number comes under whole number, but all the whole number will not come in natural number. All the whole number will not come in natural number. The difference between natural number and the whole number is 0. In whole number you will find 0. In natural number you will not find 0. All the natural number and whole number can become integers, but all the integers will not become natural number and the whole number. All the integers will not become the natural number and whole number. This type of questions are most important for you. You might be getting this type of questions in your classes for objective type. Okay, this type of questions are very most important for you. Now we will solve some of the problems. We will see some of the examples. Whether we will check whether it is becoming natural number, whole number, integers or not. Okay. Now, hope everyone understood this box. Now, 5, 4, 3, 1. Is it natural number, whole number or integer? Is it natural number or whole number or integer? it is natural number, it is whole number, and it is integer. It is natural number, it is whole number, and it will be integer, because 5 4 3 1, it will come in natural, in the set of natural number, it will come in the set of whole number, it will come in the set of integers. Now if I put 0 in this one, if I put 0 in this one, now is it natural number? No. Is it whole number? Yes. Is it integer? Yes. It is whole number and integer. It is whole number and integer. Now if I put minus in this one, is it natural number? No. Why? Because here it is minus. Is it whole number? No, because here it is minus. Is it integer? Yes. It is only integer. It is only integer. It is not natural number. It is not whole number. It is only integer. A work for you. You try this and give your answer in the comment box. Okay. 5, 7, 3, 2. Is it natural number? Is it whole number? Or is it integer? Next. 5. Okay. No. Minus 5, 7, 3, 2. Is it natural number? Is it whole number? Or is it integer? Please give your comment, give your answer in the comment box. Okay. Now we will see factors of a number. Factors of a number. Why it is important? See, if you go for the prime number, composite number, unit number, twin prime number and co-prime number, it is must and necessary to learn about the factors. Most of the students, they will forget, they will not remember the definition for the prime number, composite number, because they don't know what is factors. Today we will learn about the factors numbers. After getting this one, that problem, that definitions, and that will be very easy for you to understand. That is prime number, composite number, unit number. Okay. So now factors of a number. What do you mean with the factors of a number? A number that divides the given number evenly without leaving any remainder. A number that divides the given number evenly without leaving any remainder. Evenly without leaving any remainder. Now see, what are the factors of 15? What are the factors of 15? Can you tell me what are the factors of 15? That means 15 will come in how many tables? 15 will come in how many tables? In how many tables 15 will come? 3 table. Okay. Again 5 table. Okay. Now again 15 table. 1 table, 3 table, 5 table and 15 table. 1 is the factor of all the numbers. 1 is the factor of all the numbers. Okay. 1 table, 3 table, 5 table and 15 table. 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now can you tell me what are the factors of 16? In which table the 16 will come? 1 table, 2 table, 3, 4 table, 5 table, 6 table, 7 table, 8 table, 9 table, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. These are the factors of 16. These are the factors of 16. Now try this and give your answer in the comment box. What are the factors of 27? What are the factors of 27? What are the factors of 27? See, there is difference between multiple and the factor. I am asking about the factors. Factors. What are the factors of 27? Okay. Now, after getting this one, now we will see one more, that is 32. What are the factors of 32? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are 36. Okay. No, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So it will be 32. It will be 32. Okay. These are the factors of 32. Hope everyone understood these factors. Okay. In the next video, we will see about the prime number, composite number, unique number, co-prime number, twin prime number.